Every dollar you earn represents a piece of your life that you traded for it, time you spent working, effort you expended, energy you invested. When you waste money carelessly, not just wasting paper, you wasting precious hours of your life that you can never get back. Think about it this way. If you make $15 an hour, that $100 purchase represents nearly 7 hours of your life. Is it worth it? Sometimes yes, sometimes no. But you should always make that calculation consciously. The wealthy understand this instinctively. That's why many millionaires drive old cars and wear simple clothes. It's not because they re-cheap it, it's because they value their time more than they value impressing others. Alex thought that having unlimited money meant unlimited freedom, but he discovered the opposite was true. When you have no financial discipline, you're a slave to your impulses. Every desire controls you, every advertisement owns you, every trend dictates your choices. True freedom comes from financial discipline. When you can say no to things you don't need, when you can delay gratification, when you can invest in your future instead of consuming in your present, when you become truly free. People think budgeting is restrictive. But a budget is actually liberating because it gives you control. You decide where your money goes, instead of wondering where it went. Start small. Track your spending for 1 month. Just track it, don't even try to change anything yet. You'll be shocked at where your money actually goes. Then, make conscious choices about what's worth your life energy and what's not. Alex learned that working at Quick Burger taught him more than any amount of money ever could. He learned humility, empathy, gratitude, resilience. These qualities are worth more than any fortune. You can inherit money, but you can't inherit character. You can lose money and regain it, but if you lose your character, you've lost everything. The world is full of people who have money but no character. They're miserable despite their wealth. They're lonely despite their possessions. They're empty despite their full bank accounts, and the world is also full of people who have little money but tremendous character. They're joyful, they're content, they're rich in the ways that actually matter. The goal isn't just to have money. The goal is to be someone worthy of having money. Someone who will use it wisely. Someone who will help others, someone who understands that with great wealth comes great responsibility. Alex's story isn't really about money. It's about transformation. It's about growing up. It's about learning that the universe doesn't owe you anything and that everything worth having must be earned. If you're young and you have everything handed to you, I challenge you, try earning it yourself. Just once, just for a month. See what it teaches you. See how it changes you. If you're struggling financially, I want you to know you're learning lessons that wealthy people often never learn. You understand value in a way that trust fund kids never will. That knowledge is an asset. Don't lose it when your situation improves. If you're a parent, remember this. The greatest gift you can give your children isn't money. It's the ability to earn it, manage it, and use it wisely. Teach them to value money by making them work for it. Teach them to be grateful by letting them experience what it's like to go without. Teach them to be generous by showing them people who have less. Money is a tool. Nothing more, nothing less. It can build or destroy, create or consume, liberate or enslave. The choice is yours. Today, take a moment to reflect on your relationship with money. Do you value it? Do you respect the work it took to earn it? Do you use it to create the life you want, or does it control you? Alex learned these lessons the hard way. But you don't have to. You can start today. You can make different choices. You can become someone who understands that the real wealth is not in your bank account, it is in your character. Remember, money comes and goes, but who you are, what you've learned, and how you've grown, that stays with you forever. That's the real value. That's the lesson Alex learned, and that's the lesson I hope you take with you today. Thank you for watching. If this story impacted you, share it with someone who needs to hear it. And remember, it's never too early and never too late to learn to value money. Until next time, choose wisdom over wealth and character over cash. Because when you have both, you truly have everything.